Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve this nice geometry problem that is asked in Olympiad mathematics. In fact, in this question, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and sides AD, DC, CB and BA are given as 2 units, 3 units, 4 units and 2 units respectively. And we have to find out the radius of the circle. So here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So in order to find out the radius of the circle, very first we will be using a construction. Join A and C. So if we join A and C and let's call this length AC as x units. So from here, if we assume angle D is theta, that means angle B will be 180 degree minus theta. So let's write it as pi minus theta. So now in triangle, in triangle ADC, if we use cosine rule, so in triangle ADC we can write cos theta is equal to AD square plus CD square minus AC square divided by twice of AD times CD. So if we put all the values, so AD square that will be 4 and CD square that will be 9, then minus x square divided by 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 3, and let's call it equation number 1. Similarly, if we take triangle ABC and also we use cosine rule in triangle ABC, so in triangle ABC we can write cos of pi minus theta is equal to AB square plus BC square minus AC square divided by twice of AB times BC. So if we put all the values, so it will be 2 square that will be 4 and BC that is 4 and its square will be 16, then minus AC that is x, so it becomes x square divided by twice of AC that is 2 and BC that is 4. So let's call it equation number 2. And we also know that cos of pi minus theta is nothing but negative of cos theta. So if we put all the values here, so we can write cos of pi minus theta is 16 plus 4 that is 20 minus x square divided by 2 times 2 times 4 is equal to negative, and cos theta we have 4 plus 9 that is 13 minus x square divided by twice of 3. So from here these two quantities will be cancelled out, and further if we cross multiply, so here we can write 3 times 20 minus x square is equal to negative of 4 times 13 minus x square. Further, we will write 60 minus 3x square is equal to minus 13 4 ja 52 plus 4x square. Further, we will write 3x square plus 4x square, it will become 7x square is equal to 112. Further, we will have x square is equal to 112 divided by 7. So if we simplify, then we will have x square is equal to 16. From here, we will have x is equal to 4. That means the side AC is 4 units. So x is equal to 4. And here we have to find out the radius of the circle. So radius of the circle, in fact, in order to find the radius of the circle, we will be using the sine rule. So if we use the sine rule in triangle ADC, so in triangle ADC, if we use sine rule, so it can be written as AC divided by sine theta is equal to 2r, where r is the radius of circumcircle of triangle ADC, and the circumcircle of triangle ADC is also the circumcircle of the cyclic quadrilateral ADCB. So from here we can write AC is in fact 4. So R can be written as, we will have 2R is equal to 4 divided by sine theta. So from here we can write R is equal to 2 divided by sine theta. So our objective is here to find out the value of sine theta. So if we apply the value of x equal to 4 in one of the cosine rule, so if we put the value of x in cos theta is equal to, that is 20 minus x square, that is 16, divided by 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 4. So it will be written as 4 divided by 4 multiplication 4. So from here we will have cos theta is equal to 4. So if we have cos theta is equal to, in fact cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. If cos theta is 1 by 4, that means theta is acute angle and pi minus theta will be the obtuse angle. So from here we have cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 4. So further we can write the value of r, that is 2 divided by sine theta, like 2 divided by square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So from here we can write 2 divided by square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So it will become square root of 1 minus, and if we put the value of cos theta, that is 1 divided by 4, so it will become 2 divided by square root of 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to 2. So further we will have r is equal to 2 divided by square root of 1 minus 1 divided by 16. So further we can write 2 divided by square root of 16 minus 1 divided by 16. So it will become 2 divided by square root of 15 divided by 16. So further, after simplifying this, we will have r is equal to 2 multiplication 4 divided by square root of 15. So from here we will have 8 divided by square root of 15. That means the radius of the given circle will be 8 divided by square root of 15, and this is the final answer of the question. So I hope you understand the solution that we discuss here, and thanks for watching the video, and please like the video, share it with your friends who loves mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.